Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you the alternatives for the Halide, I don't know how to call it. So the first one that you can check out is called the Black Magic camera. Now this is something that you can maybe it's going to be beneficial. It's like camera controls and operating systems. You can adjust settings such as frame rate, shutter angle, also the white balance and ICO all in a single tab, as you can see right here on photo. It's an all-round solution, so that's great. Focus, zoom, shutter, frame rate, all you're gonna have it there. So the layout could be overwhelming, the learning curve a little bit higher to actually understand what is happening. And it's primarily video focused. And yes, you can take photos, but it's primarily on a video. And it no native RAW and requires iPhone 14 or later. Also, another one is Adobe Lightroom Mobile. So this is another one that you can actually check out for yourself. And that's something that you can do too. Another one, Apple Camera app or Luma camera and presets. So this is kind of another one that maybe it's going to be also beneficial for you. Free iPhone camera apps promising pro level RAW. Luma has a neat customer preset and LUT system. Newer app, also small community. You see the ratings 4.2, not bad. And it's a RAW capture, full manual controls. So this is another one that I would recommend to check out. And that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.